Good morning, good evening, possibly, or good afternoon, depending on where you are. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Luna Classic update video. Today we got Luna 2.0 down 21%. We got Luna Classic down 24%. We're going to be discussing that and what is going on with the overall market. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, and let's jump straight into it. Look at that, the crypto bubbles. We got Luna and Luna Classic both in front of the crowd, ahead of the crowd, being the biggest losers here in the cryptocurrency space. But guys, we've been discussing this a lot on the channel. This is to be expected. Of course, we're going to have major pullbacks when the market moves significantly, right? If the market moves significantly, oh, I'm tired. If the market moves significantly upwards very fast, of course we're going to get a pullback. We discussed this in yesterday's live stream. Hopefully we'll do another live stream today. That was actually quite fun. So if you do want to tune in, I'll be doing that in a couple of hours. But Luna Classic, Luna leading the way. We got RVN coin up 23%. We've got Solana doing pretty well, up 9%. But like I said, Terra Classic down almost 25%. Let me just refresh that. 26%, 0.0003. A few things to discuss here. First of all, let's talk about the volume. Somehow the volume is still up 41%, even though the price is down. Now I see this a lot in the comment section. Questions revolving around this. The price goes down, but somehow the volume goes up. Price has nothing to do with volume. The volume can go up while the price goes down because more people are selling. That is more volume coming into the market, more volume of the coins moving. So if we had a huge sell-off, this would increase the volume. It doesn't really matter, which is good for the burn of Luna Classic. Okay, so when we have the 1.2% tax burn in place, this will still be good either way. Price going up, price going down, we're still going to be burning the coin. So that is definitely an okay thing, right? Obviously, it's not great to see the price of Luna Classic going down so substantially, but it's totally normal. Totally normal. For the fully diluted market cap, 2.1 billion, market cap 1.9 billion. If we do check out the charts here, we can see, in fact, we have bounced literally directly off that level right there, which is very interesting because we were speaking about that being a potential place for us to bounce. You can see that we've done it. Let me just move that right here. Boom. Resistance, almost break through it here. You can see, and again, it played into the chart right here. So we came down. We're bouncing off it. This is good. This is perfectly fine. It may very well break through this again, but if we can hold this, I've got no worries at all. But of course, it's totally normal for us to pull back after this amount of time, right? We made some significant gains. We talk about this on the channel consistently, taking profits when the market is euphoric so you can make the best of the market as it goes down. Everyone who called me an idiot right now, if you're watching this video, it's perfectly fine. I don't mind you calling me an idiot. But look at the chart now. Would you not have liked to make the best of a drop of potentially 48%? If you had taken profits up here, you'd now have a drop of 48%. You could buy a significant more amount of Luna Classic, right? That's the only reason why we take profits. Of course, it can be to reinvest. It can also to invest into other assets in the outside world, or it can be simply to hold cash because we are in a bear market in Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market. So if we're in a bear market in the overall cryptocurrency market here, we can see that very much so here. Why not have cash on the sides to make the best of any opportunity that might arise going forward if we continue this market? Looking at Bitcoin anyway, we can see, oh, didn't want to do that. We can see here that we have broken through this resistance. We broke through the resistance here, and now we are potentially retesting it. Let's go down on a smaller time frame. Let's see how that retest, look at that. Broke through, coming down to retest it. If we do start to get a bounce here, it could be an opportunity for a long here. It could be, but we want to see some confirmations come in. If you do want to make the best of this market volatility, you can do so over on BitGet. You can trade on the spot market with 0 fees, which is pretty cool if you ask me. You can also trade on leverage, which is what I personally do in this volatile market. But of course, it doesn't come without its risks. So please make sure you are an experienced trader if you're going to do that. The link's down there in my description. You can get over $4,000 in bonuses. You can also do something called copy trading, which is where you basically passively follow other traders. So you don't have to make your own decisions. But of course, this also comes with its risks. So please do be safe out there in the market. And like I said, the links are down there in the description. It's an affiliate link, so you'll be supporting the channel. And I do thank you for that in advance. Looking at the overall market, we can see the DXY is still trending downwards, which, guys, very, very good. We could see some bullish momentum come into the market here in the short term. We got the greed and fear actually moving out of extreme fear into fear, which again is good for the market. And overall, like I said, we got some reds across the board, but we also have some outliers here. GRT token, Solana, AVAX, HBAR, and RVN all doing very well. I wouldn't be panicking in this market because of course, we've been speaking about this, taking profits when the market gets euphoric. We already had that phase for Lunar Classic. Now we wait, we decide what we're going to do next. Hopefully we can bounce off that line of support that I just put in here. Hopefully we continue to go up from here. It would be very nice to see. And do we have any news over here? Yes, I had this little tweet that I wanted to bring up. Guys, don't panic. This is a coordinated attack by whales on Lunar Classic. Don't be paper hands. Don't sell your diamond gems. Just hold it. Now, I don't agree with this, all right? I don't agree that this price action is only a coordinated attack by whales. It may very well be, but it's simply, in my opinion, profit taking. Why wouldn't you take profits if you had just made a 570% gain? Of course you're going to take profits. Now we're almost in a 50% decline since then. It's just people taking profits. It may very well be whale manipulation, but I don't know if any whales are actually manipulating the market because they want to buy more. If they were, if they were manipulating the market, expect it to go significantly lower than we are right now, because that would be an easy thing to do if that's what was happening, right? So we have to keep that in mind. Hopefully, I did provide you with some value this morning. I do hope that you have your coffee or your tea in your hand and you're enjoying just looking at the markets. Please don't be overly emotional, right? If you are too emotional about what's happening in this market, it means you have too much money in the market. So stay safe out there. Practice good risk management. If you want to take profits when the market is euphoric, I'm going to be talking about that whenever the market gets euphoric. So this is the channel you want to be on. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Remember, here on the channel, I am doing a community burn where I take the Google AdSense revenue that I make here on the channel this month, and I take it, I buy Lunar Classic, and then I burn it. So if you do want to be part of this community, all you have to do is leave a comment down there in the comment section, smash up the like button, and of course, as always, come back and watch the next video, because I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Sorry if I was a little bit slow today. It is quite early here, but I just wanted to make a quick update for you guys before I go to the gym. With that said, again, hopefully I see you in the next one. Peace.